What are NFTs and how do they work? NFTs or non-fungible tokens are digital assets that can be shown to be one of a kind. They can be used to represent both physical and abstract objects. To put it another way, NFTs are cryptographically unique tokens that are connected to digital and occasionally physical information and serve as proof of ownership. They can be used for a variety of things, including artwork, digital collectibles, music, and video game goods. Along with cryptographic and blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, utility tokens, security tokens, privacy tokens, digital assets, and their classifications are growing and developing. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs are, on the other hand, one of the crypto industry's fastest growing segments. We'll go through what they are, how they work, and how they're used in this video. Bitcoin is a fungible token. You can give one Bitcoin to someone and they can send one back to you, and you still have one Bitcoin. Of course, the value of Bitcoin may fluctuate during the exchange process. Because fungible tokens are divisible, you can transfer or receive smaller amounts of one Bitcoin, measured in Satoshi. Think of Satoshi as cents of a Bitcoin. Non-fungible tokens are typically not divisible, much like you couldn't mail someone part of a concert ticket because it wouldn't be worth anything on its own and wouldn't be redeemable. However, several investors have been experimenting with the concept of fractionalized NFTs in recent months, even though they remain a legal gray area and could be considered securities. Some of the earliest non-fungible tokens were CryptoKitties collectibles. Each CryptoKitty is a one-of-a-kind blockchain-based digital kitten. If you send someone a CryptoKitty and receive one from someone else, the CryptoKitty you receive will be completely different from the one you sent. The goal of the game is to collect various digital kittens. A non-fungible token's unique information, such as a CryptoKitties, is saved in its smart contract and immutably recorded on the token's blockchain. CryptoKitties were first released as ERC-721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, but have subsequently moved to their own blockchain, Flow, to make it easier for newbies to get started with crypto. What makes NFTs so special? Non-fungible tokens have distinct characteristics and are usually associated with a certain item. They can be used to establish ownership of digital assets such as gaming skins up to tangible goods. Other tokens like coins and banknotes can be redeemed for cash. Fungible tokens are interchangeable and have the same properties and value. Beeple, a digital artist, sold an NFT collage of his work for $69 million in March 2021, making him the third most valuable living artist at auction behind David Hockney and Jeff Koons. How are non-fungible tokens used? Non-fungible tokens can be used to represent digital collectibles such as CryptoKitties, NBA Top Shot, and Sorare, as well as digital assets that need to be distinguished from one another to show their value or scarcity. Everything from virtual property parcels to artworks to ownership licenses can be represented using them. NFT marketplaces are where they're bought and sold. While dedicated marketplaces like OpenSea and Rarible have long dominated the field, some of the most well-known Bitcoin exchanges have recently entered the fray. Binance established its NFT marketplace in June 2021, while Coinbase revealed its own NFT marketplace ambitions in October 2021, with over 1.4 million people joining up for the waitlist in the first 48 hours. How do NFTs work? Fungible tokens include Bitcoin and Ethereum-based ERC-20 tokens. ERC-721 is Ethereum's non-fungible token standard, which is used by platforms like CryptoKitties and Decentraland. With non-fungible token tools and support, non-fungible tokens can also be developed on other smart contract-enabled blockchains. Though Ethereum was the first blockchain to enable NFTs, the ecosystem is growing, with blockchains such as Solana, NEO, Tezos, EOS, Flow, Secret Network, and Tron now supporting them. Non-fungible tokens and accompanying smart contracts enable the addition of detailed properties such as the owner's identity, rich metadata, and secure file links. The use of non-fungible tokens to verify digital ownership in an increasingly digital environment is a significant step forward. They could imagine blockchain's promise of trustless security being applied to nearly any asset's ownership or trade. Who's making waves in the NFT space? Number 1. CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks, a profile photo or PFP series that began in 2017, is one of the earliest NFT projects. CryptoPunks is a set of 10,000 24 by 24 pixel art images representing punks with randomized qualities such as gender, headgear, and eyewear created by development studio Larva Labs. CryptoPunks, which were originally distributed for free, now fetch astronomical prices. The cheapest punks are currently available for six figures, while the rarest punks, such as aliens, apes, and zombies, fetch millions of dollars. What, on the other hand, can you do with CryptoPunks? Owners use them as avatars on social media platforms, primarily for quote unquote flexing and providing membership in an exclusive fraternity. Indeed, the frenzy has spurred Twitter to announce efforts to verify NFT avatars to prevent individuals from misrepresenting saved CryptoPunks photos as genuine. Number 2, Bored Ape Yacht Club. Bored Ape Yacht Club, like CryptoPunks, is a collection of NFT avatars, this time in the form of bored-looking apes. And like CryptoPunks, there are 10,000 of them, each with its own set of attributes that are generated at random, and a flourishing community has risen around them. Most significantly, owning a Bored Ape NFT qualifies you for additional NFT drops, such as the Bored Ape Kennel Club series of dog NFTs and the Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Consider its membership to an exclusive club with special privilege for members. In the last year, a growing number of celebrities, including Eminem, Snoop Dogg, and Stephen Curry, have joined the exclusive club, with Eminem, Snoop Dogg, and Stephen Curry among those who have purchased Bored Apes. Number 3, AXI Infinity. Non-fungible tokens such as CryptoPunks and Bored Apes are one thing, but non-fungible tokens can be used for a variety of things, including representing digital objects in video games. And for now, the most popular NFT video game is AXI Infinity, which became the most traded NFT collection ever in Q3 of 2021, with over $2.5 billion in trading volumes. The game itself is a Pokemon-style affair in which you collect cute monsters known as Axis, fight them in fights, and breed them to make new Axis. Players in nations like the Philippines have made a fortune raising in trading Axis because of the game's play-to-earn feature. However, the game has a high learning curve, and individual Axis may cost hundreds of dollars, so putting together a squad to get started isn't cheap. NFTs and DeFi. Non-fungible tokens are also making waves in the decentralized finance sphere, which is one of cryptocurrency's most exciting and innovative areas. Aavegotchi, an experimental startup backed by DeFi money market Av, is one example of how NFTs are being used in DeFi. Aavegotchis are NFT crypto collectibles utilized in a game universe. Each Aavegotchi also includes Av's tokens staked inside it as collateral, generating a yield on Av. The Aavegotchi vanishes if the owner liquidates their interest. Rarible, a decentralized program or DApp that allows users to sell digital artwork in the Rarible market, is another application that aims to unify the DeFi and NFT communities. Rarible debuted Rari, a governance token that rewards creators and collectors in July 2020. Rari can only be gained through active involvement in the network, which Rarible refers to as quote-unquote marketplace liquidity mining. According to DApp Radar, recent advancements in the NFT area increased explosively in 2021, with trade volumes in Q3 reaching $10.67 billion, a year-over-year increase of almost 38,000%. OpenSea, the leading NFT platform, had a single-day trading volume of nearly $75 million in August, which was more than its whole trading volume in 2020. Now, what does the future hold for NFTs? For the time being, non-fungible tokens are primarily associated with artwork, gaming, and crypto collectibles. The Smurfs, Minecraft, and the BBC's Doctor Who have all been rendered as NFTs. Fantasy soccer game Sorare has signed on over 100 football clubs to its platform, and the Smurfs, Minecraft, and the BBC's Doctor Who have all been rendered as NFTs. In June 2021, Twitter debuted its NFT collection, and a few months later it announced intentions to verify users' NFT avatars. Non-fungible tokens could be used in gaming to represent in-game objects such as skins, allowing them to be moved to other games or traded with other players. However, their potential is far greater. Examples include copyright and intellectual property rights, ticketing, and the sale and trade of video games, music, and movies. Zero Contact, a thriller, was the first feature-length picture to be released as an NFT in September 2021, and Lockdown, a pandemic-themed thriller, followed suit a few weeks later. The Weeknd was the first signing for Tom Brady's NFC platform, Autograph, which opened a music component in October. The possibilities of NFTs have piqued the interest of video game businesses, with Ubisoft, the publisher of Assassin's Creed, becoming the first major gaming company to offer in-game NFTs in late 2021. NFTs have been tried by other game firms, notably Konami, although many gamers are wary about the technology. NFTs are also projected to play an important role in the metaverse, which is a persistent, shared virtual world in which users can interact as 3D avatars. Meta, formerly Facebook, Adidas, Nike, and Samsung are among the brands that have entered the metaverse, and more are anticipated to follow suit. NFTs are already used in metaverse platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox to represent plots of virtual land and in-game commodities like avatar clothes. The interoperability of NFTs, which allows users to transport virtual things between multiple metaverse platforms, will most likely be used in the next step toward a single, persistent metaverse. Non-fungible tokens have the potential to be used to create security tokens and to tokenize both digital and physical assets. Physical assets, such as real estate, might be tokenized to allow for fractional ownership. Even if just tokens representing part ownership are sold, ownership of the asset is traceable and apparent if these security tokens are non-fungible. Certification for qualifications, software licensing, warranties, and even birth and death certificates could all benefit from non-fungible tokens. A non-fungible token smart contract verifies the recipient's or owner's identity and can be stored in a digital wallet for easy access and representation. One day, every certificate, license, and asset we own could be stored in our digital wallets. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and do well to subscribe too. Bye.